What's good, y'all? It's Havoc, Punch and Profit. Let's break down this trade I took today on the NQ for 50 plus points. If you want to see the live execution, you can go on my channel and find the video. It was done on my Topstep X account for about $791. This all only happened under 30 minutes, so it was a pretty good day. Now, I was a little disappointed because I did not let the trade run. I didn't leave a runner on, and as you see, this probably went up to about 200 plus points. But we were missing some confluences, so I wasn't willing to let one run. When I miss some confluences, I have to compromise in some way, whether it's lower my leverage or take profits off the board early. Okay, so what were the confluences missing? Well, one, we didn't have an SMT. Two, it didn't happen during my silver bullet hour from 10 to 11 a.m. That's usually when I feel most comfortable and I get my A++ setups. Okay, and sometimes a little bit earlier than that, from 9:50 to 10:10 a.m. you have that macro, which is okay. But this happened roughly at the 9:30 opening to around 9:40 is when we got our entry. Okay, and that's a little earlier than I like to take the trade, and then we didn't get that SMT, but it still occurred within my trading window. It just becomes lower probability for me when it gets that early. In this case, it worked out, right? But like I said, if I'm going to compromise my confluences, or if I'm missing them, I have to compromise and lower my leverage and manage my risk or take profits off the board early. Okay, so first we hit our high time frame point of interest, which you see with the purple lines in the gray area. Before the market opens, we're accumulating, and then we open, and as you see, we manipulate past that point of interest down, and we create this bearish fair value gap in this orange GAN box. Then we come back up and create a bearish fair value gap right here that overlaps this one, this bearish fair value gap. Okay, and then it closes above it. We're going to be looking for an entry anywhere in this box, usually at the consequent encroachment, okay, or at the top of the gap. So we go up, we're waiting for our market structure shift over here. We don't get it, we just wick above. We want a candle body close above this, okay, not a wick. So we come back down, we get tapped into. That's our first entry. Then we're waiting for our market structure shift, which is going to be where this yellow line is. And we're also going to add and pyramid at this yellow line if we get a candle body close. We do. Okay. Then we move up. We take our first contract that we entered down here off. That's 50 points. And then we let the second contract, which we entered at the yellow line, run up for another 50 points. Boom. Successful day. And if you want, you can let it run on and see how far up it can go. Okay, but like I said, I don't usually take trades that early, and it did develop during the silver bullet hour and the macro, but the entry was earlier than I usually like. Okay, but nonetheless, a successful day. I made about $791 in this trade, and I did it under 30 minutes. That is a great day of trading. A lot of people barely make that in a week. I made it in 30 minutes. And you can too if you watch my videos. If you want to learn how to trade, comment down below, like the video, subscribe. I can get you funded, and I can get you to become a profitable trader. This is Havoc, Punch and Profit. God bless. Take care.